very first thing to do is go to the settings and make sure that the Enable Stair Capturing feature has been switched on. Next, we select the Warm Up New Scan button in the upper left. The camera will connect, and then next, what I'm going to do here is bypass the warm-up just by depressing the button on the right-hand side. Here are the stair capture settings. We're going to adjust the number of landings to 3. This includes the floor and the final top landing. I've left the minimum range at 0 meters. So now we're scanning. The green and yellow indicates that we're collecting data. I've selected the camera icon on the lower right-hand side to take a still photo. You just release it when the camera is still and the camera's in the correct position. Notice the viewer in the upper right-hand corner. Next, we're going to select, using the plane button in the lower left-hand corner, the first landing, the ground floor. We're going to get another plane on the wall nearby, and note the icons on the bottom of the screen. The left-hand side indicates the number of landings. It's a third of the way up. And we've got a wall, going to get another wall. These are going to be used to set planarity constraints when we optimize the data later. Getting another wall. And here we proceed with collecting the next landing. This is at the turn of the stairs by selecting the plane, again by selecting the plane icon. And we work our way up the stairs, collecting the walls and the rest of the stairs. Gonna hit that wall again. And you can see the icons on the bottom of the screen adjust accordingly. Get that wall. Hit the wall again. We'll get the top landing. That'll be the last one that we need. I'm going to pick up this wall. And then we're going to go into the room next door. I just want to collect an April tag to show that functionality. Oh, first we're going to get this wall again. And you can see the icon adjust. We've hit it a couple of times, that wall. So we're going to pick up this April tag. Select the floor one more time. We'll capture a still photo of this bookcase just to demonstrate the still capture functionality. This is, we go into this capability in another video. I will link to that. Now we're ready to optimize the data. So first it's saved. I've sped this up. So we can inspect the data. It's waiting to be optimized. We select optimize and we get a summary of the planes that we've collected, the number of targets, and then we optimize using the plane parallelism constraints and April tags for loop closure. Again, I've sped up the optimization. And here we go. We do a visual inspection of the data. Looks good, very tight. We're going to look at the high resolution frames here very quickly. You can see a high level of detail is available with the HD camera on the DPI-8S. We'll set a user coordinate system. Z will be up. And we can take some measurements from the ground floor up to the first floor landing. We get the elevation 2.778 or thereabouts meters. And we can move the measurement points around readily on the screen. This is all being done on the tablet, of course. Then we save the file. We're done. And we'll save it in that user coordinate system that I specified earlier. So that's really it. We've captured the stairs and aligned the landings so that they're all parallel.